Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Haq Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about solid state. You know friends, matter is available in nature, can be classified into three states: gaseous, liquids and solids. And solid further classified in crystalline solid and amorphous solid. Solid in which atoms are arranged in a regular manner with perfect periodicity over a long range order are called crystalline solid. Friends, atoms arranged in irregular manner called non-crystalline solid. You can see in this picture crystalline, polycrystalline and amorphous. So, what is crystal structure? Crystal structure can be obtained by attaching atoms, groups of atoms or molecules which are called bases. We called it multipoles to the lattice side of the lattice point. Crystal structure is equal to crystal lattice plus basis. You can see dot and you can see the basis, and they combine together, then we called it crystal structure. Now the regular arrangement of points instead of atoms is called lattice. It is an imaginary concept. Example, egg box. A group of atoms or molecules attached to each lattice point which are identical in compositions and orientation is called basis. We called it eggs. So egg box and egg, just keep in your mind. Now don't mix up atoms with lattice points. Lattice points are infinitesimal point in a space. Lattice point do not necessarily lie at the center of atoms. So crystal structure is equal to crystal lattice and plus basis. Now friends, unit cell. It is a building block of crystal structure. It is a minimum number of atoms by the repetitions of it in 3 dimensions. We can construct the total crystal structure. So you can see SC, BCC and FCC. You can see here unit cell, the unit cell, and consequently the entire lattice is uniquely determined by the 6 lattice constants A, B, C, alpha, beta and gamma. These are lattice parameters. ABC are axial length, alpha, beta and gamma interfacial angle. Now friend, depend upon the lattice parameter, crystal system can be classified into 7 systems. Those are cubic crystal system, hexagonal crystal system, triclinic crystal system, monoclinic crystal system, orthorhombic crystal system, tetragonal crystal system and trigonal rhomboidal crystal system. Now friend, cubic crystal system, you know A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree. So simple cubic, SC, body centered cubic, BCC, face centered cubic, FCC. So SC, BCC, FCC are lattices, which while SCP and DC are crystals. I repeat, SC, BCC and FCC are lattices, while SCP and DC are crystals. Element with cubic structure Ag, Fe, Po, Bcc, chromium, iron, niobium, FCC, aluminum, like that. Now, trigonal crystals. A is equal to B, but B is not equal to C. Alpha, beta, gamma, 90 degree. Simple tetragonal, body-centered tetragonal BCT. Element with tetragonal structure, indium and tin. Orthorhombic crystal system. A is not equal to B is not equal to C. Alpha, beta, gamma, 90 degree. Simple orthorhombic, body center orthorhombic, face centered orthorhombic, end center orthorhombic. Element with orthorhombic structure, bromine, chlorine. Monoclinic crystal system. A is not equal to B, B is not equal to C. Alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degree, beta is not equal to 90 degree. Simple monoclinic, end center, base center monoclinic. Element with monoclinic structure, phosphorus. Triclinic, A, B, C not equal, alpha, beta, gamma is not equal. Simple triclinic. Trigonal rhomboidal crystals. This is the conditions. A is equal to B is equal to C. Alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. Gamma is not 90 degree. Rhomboidal, simple hexagonal crystals. Simple hexagonal. Examples, beryllium. Now friends, I will talk about lattices. In 1848 August, Bravais demonstrated that in a three-dimensional system there are 14 possible lattices. A Bravais lattice is an infinite array of discrete points with identical environment. Friends, 7 crystal system, 4 lattice centering types is equal to 14 Bravais lattice. Lattices are characterized by translation symmetry. You can see simple cubic, body-centered cubic, face-centered cubic, base-centered. This is cubic PIF, tetragonal PI, orthorhombic PIF C, hexagonal P, tetragonal only P, monoclinic P and C, and triclinic P. Here I for body-centered, F for face-centered, C for side-centered, P for primitive, 4 types of unit cell. So 7 crystal system classes and 14 Bravais lattices. You can see simple cubic, polonium, BCC, body centered and face centered copper, and here you can see diamond N is equal to DC. So properties of unit cell: coordination number, number of atoms per unit cell, lattice constant, atomic radius, atomic packing fractions, number of atoms per unit cell, effective number of atoms per unit cell. What is the coordination number? The Bravais lattice points closest to a given point are the nearest neighbors. Because the Bravais lattice is periodic, all points have the same number of nearest neighbors or coordination number. It is a property of the lattice. A simple cubic has coordination number 6, body-centered cubic lattice 8, and face-centered cubic lattice 12. Atomic packing factor APF is defined as the volume of atoms within the unit cell divided by the volume of the unit cell. The APF, volume of atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So first, cubic crystal system, simple cubic. Simple cubic has one lattice point, so its primitive cell. In the unit cell on the left, the atoms at the corners are cut because only a portion, in this case 1/8, belongs to that cell. The rest of the atom belong to the neighbor cells. Coordination number of simple cubic is 6. Now Rare due to low packing density, only polonium has this structure. Close packing direction are cubic edge. So friends, simple cubic structure, rare due to low packing density, only polonium has this structure. Close packing directions are cube edge, coordination number 6, nearest number. Now sharing of corner atom with 8 neighboring unit cell. Now number of atom per unit cell, polonium simple cubic BCC n is equal to 2, FCC n is equal to 4. Now atomic packing factor of simple cube contains 8 1 by 8, 1 atom per unit cell, 0.5 A. APF is equal to 0.52 for simple cube. So atom per unit cell 1 and volume per atom 4 by 3 pi 0.5 A cube, and A cube volume per unit cell. So APF is equal to 1 into 4 by 3 pi 0.5 A cube. Now body centered cubic structure BCC. Atoms touch each other along cube diagonals. All atoms are identical. The center atom is shaded differently only for easy of view. You can view it. Example: chromium, tungsten, and coordination number 6, 8. 2 atom per unit cell, 1 center plus 8 corner into 1 8. Body centered cube BCC. BCC has 2 lattice points, so BCC is a non-primitive cell. BCC has 8 nearest neighbors. Each atom is in contact with its neighbors only along the body diagonal directions. Many metals, including the alkalis and several transition elements, choose the BCC structure. Atomic packing factor BCC. APF for a body centered cubic structure 0.68. You can see here close packing directions, length 4R and root 3A, unit cell 2 4 by 3 pi, root 3A by 4 whole cube, volume per atom, A cube, volume per unit cell. Face center cubic structure FCC. Atom touch each other along FCC diagonals. So friend, face centered cubic structure. Atom touch each other along face diagonals. All atoms are identical. The face centered atoms are shaded differently only for easy of viewing. Aluminum. 4 atoms per unit cell, 6 face into half plus 8 corners into 1 by 8. Now atomic packing factor of FCC. APF FCC is equal to V atom and V unit cell is equal to 0.74. So you can see A, root 2A and 4R. Root 2A is equal to 4R. So atom unit cell 4, volume per atom 4 by 3 pi 0.353 A whole cube, and volume per unit cell A cube. Now atomic packing factor FCC. APF for face centered cubic structure 0.74. Maximum achievable APF close packed directions length 4